Now, fish farmers from Ekpan community in Uvwie local government area of Delta State are now counting the losses as a result of an overnight heavy downpour which destroyed their ponds, thereby washing away fishes to the community river. The ponds, which is adjudged the largest in the state as it employs hundreds of youths and covers hundreds of acres of land, serves as a means of livelihood to many families before the unfaithful incident occurred. Speaking on the extent of the flooding, the chairman Fish Farmers Association laments what he described as the unexpected loss and the loans obtained in the fishing business.
We were surprised this morning that the flood have overrun the entire farm. And this is one of the biggest fish farms in West Africa. The farmers are confused. Even buyers are confused. Why are they confused? They are confused in the sense that a lot of us, they took loan to do this business. They borrow money from bank to do this business.
Meanwhile, some of the fishermen and women who could only manage to gather few fishes from the collapsed ponds and some poultry farmers remorsefully count their losses. It's been recalled that the Delta State Commissioner for Environment, Chris Onogba, had issued a warning to the fish farmers in the state to fortify their ponds, saying the blocked drains in the state will eventually lead to flooding.
Okay, just tell us your experience.
I never think you can once is that this place. I go borrow money, 2 million for green acre to take 3 fish. I don't know what help me, man, help me, and they will carry my children. We borrow money for 1 green acre. They're helping us to feed our fish. Now, as you can see the high tide now, we don't know how to pay the people bank money. You know, it's summer. We took loan from Green Acres. Now, as you can see the river, majority of us, they are not here. They don't even know what is happening. For we to call them is a problem now. So, government, please, we really need your help to come and help us.
Bad, terribly bad, because this is something I've invested on and they are going out, as in they are getting lost. I won't be happy because it's shortage already. So it's very bad. The government should come to our rescue, as in opening our waterways and other things to assist us.
My own essence of this issue is that this is the first time we are experiencing such a massive flood in this farm. I've been here for the past 6 years. I have not experienced this once. This one was the most worst. Pond collapse, fish loss, at least fish loss. We recorded over 100% loss over this flood.